Dude, we heard an accident. I think a car hit a bicyclist. Oh crap. Oh shoot. It's a lady with a shopping cart full of stuff. She's in the middle of the road, laying there. Yeah, she's knocked out. They're calling 911. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Tell her not to move. Don't move. Don't let him move. Don't let him move. Man, they hit. He got hit hard. It sounded like a car. Yeah, the cart's over there. Hey, on the windshield? Yeah. Yeah. Because it's not Van Nuys. It's not K-Town. Yeah. Okay. Dude. Seriously, dude. Alright, they're gonna block it off. Carts all the way over there, water, and was the driver not paying attention? These people need to get out of the way. He got hit.
You saw that?
Yeah, huh? We heard it.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's always around here, man. I don't know what he was doing, like crossing the street.
Huh.
Oh. Did he get hit pretty hard?
We heard it from all the way over there. I thought it was two cars. But yeah, I think he must have flown. Well, the cart is over there. All this stuff came flying out.
Completely motionless after? Did you guys?
He moved a little bit, yeah.
It's
Yeah, I thought it was a she too.
Where's the car?
That car right there. You see the windshield?
Oh, shit. Oh, so he hit the windshield.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so
I think he hit. Yeah. Yeah. They're cutting it off. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's an ambulance. They responded pretty quick though. They're gonna have to put that thing around his neck first. Oh gosh, his leg's broken. We heard it from over there. Yeah, it was hard. I thought it was two cars. Definitely smashed his legs. Dude, think about it. If we didn't pee, like we would have been right here. Yep. Wow. Oh crap. Yeah. 'Cause cars won't see you, man. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah. Shoot. Yeah. Morphine. Oh man. I feel for him. He's in agony. I think so. Yes.
It's a homeless person?
Yes. Yeah. Hang in there. At least they got him on the gurney. I don't know. That's the windshield tearing off. Yep. Hang in there, old man. Yeah. Yeah, for real. Yeah. You saw something fly. I thought it was just two cars. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, for real. That is scary, man. Hey, humans are fragile. We can't even take a little beating. That's why gotta ride carefully, you know? Yep, exactly. Always gotta be careful. Thanks. At any time. Alright, should we go Okay, we'll go that way. Hold on, careful of this benzo. Yeah, they gotta clean all that up too. Alright, follow me. Yep.